Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide a section in Webflow. Whether you're working on a new design preparing for a big launch or just want to temporarily keep part of your site under wraps, learning how to hide a section can really save you time and headaches later on. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to seamlessly hide any section in your Webflow project without accidentally breaking your layout or losing your content. So let's dive right in. Alright, the very first thing you want to do is locate the section that you're planning to hide. Just click on it directly in your main canvas. If you're working with complex designs and have lots of overlapping sections, you can also use the navigator panel on the left. It's kind of like a roadmap to all the different parts of your web page. Being able to confidently select the right section up front is crucial because everything we do next will apply only to that piece of your site. So take a second and double check. Make sure you're not accidentally grabbing a different div block or container. If you're unsure, the navigator will help you out. Once you've got your section selected, shift your attention over to the Style panel on the right. Here you're looking for the Layout options. It's the one that controls how things show up on your page. Now under the Display settings, you'll see a little row of icons like Flex, Grid, and Block. But for hiding a section, what you want is to click the option called None. It actually looks like a little empty box. When you set the display to None, Webflow tells the browser, don't show this particular section at all. It's almost like putting a curtain in front of that entire part of your site, and don't worry, the section isn't deleted. It's just hidden from view, but all of your content, images, and settings are safely tucked away in the background. Think of it like storing something valuable in your closet for later. You know exactly where it is when you need it again. As soon as you set the display to None, you'll notice that the entire section disappears from your page preview. Not only that, but every element inside that section will also be hidden, no matter how many layers deep it goes. This is super handy if you've spent time crafting something you're not ready to show, or if you want to experiment without cluttering up your live site. This might take a couple of moments to update, especially if your site is larger or your computer is running a few tasks at once, so don't worry if you don't see it vanish instantly. One small tip: when you hide a section like this, you won't be able to select it right from the canvas anymore because, well, it's invisible. So if you want to bring it back later, you'll need to open the navigator and click directly on the hidden section. From there, just switch the display style back to block or whatever your original setting was and you're good to go. It's kind of like turning a light back on in a room you temporarily closed off. And that's really all there is to it. Hiding a section in Webflow is fast, safe, and totally reversible, which gives you plenty of flexibility as you design. I hope you found this walkthrough useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or run into any tricky situations, drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to help out. Be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Webflow tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.